Come on, catch them!
Oh, this ain't so great, you know?
We gotta get out of here.
Oh, yeah, this is a pretty bad chase here. Oh, I know how to lose these guys.
They're going off the road. We're going off the road? What's the matter with you? Let's chase them, come on.
Oh, nobody can go off the road better than a truck. These guys have no chance.
This is scary though.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, look, we lost them.
We're not going fast enough. Get out and push or something. That would slow us down, you know. I don't care.
See through it like this. Taxi cab is mad at us, but he won't last. Rolling down highway, happiness let me go. The morning sun is on its way. You know it's time to go. Hey, check my car, check my car, check my coffee, check my car. Oh, check my car. Oh, this is pretty great. Yay, we lost them.
Well, I guess your plan worked.
Yeah, back on the highway. Oh, let's sing. Highway. Oh, yeah, we lost the guys down on the highway.
Oh, look, it's Hitchhiker. I hate those guys.
Hey, wait a minute. That's my friend.
What?
Yeah, that's my friend. Hitchy. Hey, Hitchy, what's up?
Yep.
So, how's things been?
Yep. So, well, okay. I can't believe you're friends with a hobo.
Yeah, I used to live with these guys and everything. Okay, let's go to town. Come on, take us.
Yep.
Oh, great. See, this is his brother, Litchy.
Hello, how are you today? Want to try some applesauce? It's nutritious.
Oh, no thanks. I'm a truck, so I can't really eat some. Oh, you'd like some?
No thanks, I already ate.
Oh, okay. Oh, here's his other brother. Oh, other brother. Rhymes. Twitchy.
Twitchy? They're coming. I know they're coming from up there. They're watching us. They're watching us. They're going to come. You know this. We have to stop them. We have to get missiles and...
Yeah, he does that sometimes. Okay, so how you guys been?
Yep.
Pretty good. What, you sure you don't want applesauce?
Yeah, we're sure.
Do you see them? No, I can't see them anywhere. Look harder! Wait. Down by that hobo place. I see them. That hobo village. Hobo village? What are you talking about? Yes, hobo village. We should alert the boss. Okay, we've got their location. Fine then. But this time, I'm going to do it myself. I'm tired of you failing. What? That's right. You are fired. No! Yes. And you don't get your money either, because you didn't do anything to help me. And now I will finally capture them. Oh, I guess this means my mother is gonna stay in the hospital. What? I don't ask you about your personal reasons.
Okay, guys, it's pretty nice, you know?
Yep. They're coming. They're coming. I see them. What?
Oh boy, look, it's...
At last, I have you! Finally! Me! I have the truck cornered!
Yeah, we'll check the